finally got my hands on the Swiitch Beauty, the Bare Minimum Skin Tint at the Cafe Swiitch event, and I am beyond excited to try it with you for the very first time and tell you what I think about it. So I did get shade match, but they did it over my makeup, so I didn't really fully experience what it looks like on my skin. So I am in shade 2, and guys, how absolutely stunning, flawless, chic and beautiful is this packaging. I am so obsessed, and what's amazing about this is you can literally, this part can remove and then you can go refill this, if I'm not mistaken, which is just so innovative. So this is what she looks like. Absolutely stunning. So on the packaging here, it says it's supposed to be your skin but better, and it's got a gel liquid formula which melts into your skin to blur out any texture and leaves your skin with a luminous silk finish. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take 2 pumps like that. Oops, I didn't really shake it as I should have now. There is that. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to take my finger and then just apply it onto my skin. So I actually completely forgot to prime, but it's okay. I will be testing this further, but it is a skin tint, so it should just basically blend into my skin seamlessly. But already this coverage is insane. I might have used 1 or 2 too many pumps, because look at this, and I've still got so much left. I'll just be taking my Swish sponge and just tap this in. Wow, that is gorgeous. Even without a primer, like my skin prep, I'm going to be honest, today was not the best. But even without that, just blending it, it already looks so promising. So I just cannot imagine when I really do focus on my skin prep, how amazing it's going to turn out then. They absolutely did not talk nonsense when they said your skin but better. I mean, just look at that. You can still see it's super natural. My skin just enhanced. Wow. Let me finish up this face and then I'll check in and show you what it looks like with everything done. Okay, so this is what the skin looks like after I applied blush, a little bit of bronzer, concealer, and my Swiitch Beauty setting powder. So I'm really happy with the results. It looks absolutely beautiful, and definitely it does look so natural and skin-like. You can still see everything of my skin, like my blemishes, my beauty spots, my pores, but it just looks so much better than it usually would have. So just the perfect amount of coverage to still look natural but still look put together, and I absolutely love that. My first impressions on the Bare Minimum Skin Tint from Swiitch Beauty is I really love how easily it blended. The coverage surprised me. I used so much more than I actually should have. So I can see I'm going to get quite a few uses out of this product, and yeah, I'm excited to test it further and give you my review and opinion in the long run, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm just so happy that I finally got my hands on this. You don't even understand. And just a huge shout out to Swiitch Beauty for your innovation in products and just for the amazing launches recently. Beautiful. Most of the products I've used by Swiitch Beauty has really surpassed my expectations immensely. So I honestly can't wait to grow my collection of Swiitch Beauty products. And drop your thoughts in the comments down below of whether you've tried it before or whether you're going to get your hands on it when it releases. Let me know if you want a separate review and first impressions of the Swiitch Beauty Plush Lip Treatment. This packaging, oh, it's so beautiful. Let me just give you a little sneak peek. Look at that. I love it. So let me know.